Have you ever wanted to fall asleep to the sound of rain? I bought this new rain cloud diffuser here, and basically it takes the water from the base up to this cloud-like structure and it sprinkles it down to the top in small droplets like rain. Listen to this. It is absolutely so relaxing to fall asleep to. You can even put essential oils in there, like this is lavender here, and it just makes the whole room smell incredible. The light is really soothing, so you can turn off everything and just have the glow right there in the room. You can even select down here, this is the power button to turn it on and off. This cycles the different brightness settings, and the one on the far left cycles the different colors. It is absolutely such a unique product that I found, and basically inside here you can see all the water, and you will fill it up and you can just place this plastic thing over the top and it just captures all the rain inside of it.